Hi, welcome to video 7.9 on doing elimination and looking at different types of solutions, so special cases of systems. And we're on page 18 of your green packet. So there's three different kinds of systems. One of them just has one solution, which is what we've been looking at so far. And in this case, what it looks like in a picture is that the lines are intersecting in one point. So they look like that on a graph. And only one variable will eliminate when you are trying to solve them. If a system has no solution, the lines are parallel, they're never going to touch. And so both variables are going to eliminate, and then the equation that remains is not true. So something that will never be true. And then when one line is a multiple of the other, which basically means they are the same line, both of the variables are going to eliminate. And, eliminate. And then the equation that remains is going to be true. That means that it has infinitely many solutions, that basically it's just one line written a couple different ways, and so every point along it is going to satisfy all of your both equations. Okay, so let's take a look at what that looks like. We're going to do elimination for these. So I right now am looking at the 5 and the 2 and thinking that I can make that into my GCF, which is 10. So I'm going to multiply this one by 5 and this one by 2, and then I'll have opposites of 10x and negative 10x. So my top equation is going to be 10x plus 40y equals 30. And then my second equation is going to be negative 10x minus 40y equals negative 30. So those eliminate, that eliminates, and I have 0 equals 0. 0 is equal to 0, that is true, so that means that this is infinitely many solutions. Okay, let's look at the next one. All right, this is not really set up for elimination and that things are not on the same side of the equal sign. So I'm going to make it so that things are on the same side of the equal sign. Since 8y is over here, I am going to subtract 2y from both sides so that now here I have like that. And since this is 8, I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 4 so that these are also 8 and I can eliminate. So this right here is going to be negative 4 plus 8x equals negative 8y. And then I'm going to write this below it. So negative 8x equals 8y. Okay, so this is negative 4 because there's nothing to go with it. That eliminates, that eliminates. So I have negative 4 equals 0, which is not true. So that means there is no solution. Okay, I want you to try those, so pause the video and give them a try. Okay, here are our answers. For number 3, that was actually a fairly normal equation, and there was only one solution, which comes out to be 5, negative 8. And then for number 4, this one was 0 equals 0, so it was infinitely many solutions because that is a true statement, and it will always be true no matter what you put in for x and y. All right, please write down any questions that you have, and we will talk about them in class next time.